If your contracting business isn't showing up on Google, clients are calling your competition instead. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. 10 steps, no paid ads, no complicated technology, just the actions that actually get you to the top of local search results and keep you there. This is a complete Google domination system for general contractors. So let's get into it. Think about the last time that you needed a service, a plumber, roofer, electrician. Where did you go first? You probably searched Google. Guess what? Your clients are doing the exact same thing. 97% of homeowners search online before they ever pick up the phone. That means if you're not showing up, you literally don't exist to those clients, potential clients. The contractors at the top of the results get the calls, get the leads. The ones buried on page 2 get almost nothing. Your Google visibility is now directly tied to your revenue. So let's build it right. The most powerful tool you have for local lead generation costs you nothing. It's called Google Business Profile. When a homeowner types general contractor near me, Google shows a map pack at the top of the results. 3 businesses, that's it. Those 3 spots get the majority of the clicks on the page. Your Google Business Profile is your ticket to one of those 3 spots. It's your digital storefront, your photos, your reviews, your contact info. It's often the very first thing a potential client sees before they even ever visit your website. And you have full control over it. And most contractors just don't use it well. And that's your advantage. So here's the number that should get your attention, maybe scare you a little bit. 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as a personal referral from a friend. That means the referral game has moved online. When a homeowner is comparing 2 or 3 contractors, they're going to choose the one with the strongest profile, the better photos, and the more reviews every single time. And here's the thing, contractors with strong profiles can charge more because trust is already established before that first phone call. The window to get ahead is closing. It's still open right now, but you need to start taking action and realize that the contractors who move first win. All right, so here are the 10 steps that we're going to be walking through in today's video. Don't think of these as 10 separate tasks. Think of them as one system where each step builds on the one before it. And when all 10 are in place, you are going to have an inbound lead machine that works around the clock for you. Some of these take an afternoon, others build momentum over a few weeks. So let's get started with step number 1, the thing that makes everything else possible. Step 1, super important, claim and verify your Google Business Profile. This is your foundation. If you don't control your profile, you can't optimize it. And if you can't optimize it, then nothing else that we're talking about in today's video matters. So here's what to do. Go to business.google.com and search for your business name. If a listing already exists for some reason, then you can start the claim process. Someone may have created one without you knowing, usually to do a review or something. If nothing comes up, create a fresh profile. Then comes a critical part, verification. Google mails a postcard with a confirmation code to your business address. This takes about 2 weeks. So that means you need to not waste any time. Start today, not tomorrow, right now. And now once you're verified, you get full control over your profile. Update your info, respond to reviews, post updates, see your analytics. We're going to talk all about that in today's video. And everything in this video assumes that this step is already completed. So if it's not, go do that right now. All right, step number 2 is all about categories, telling Google exactly what kind of contractor you are. Your primary category must be general contractor. That's non-negotiable. Google uses this to match your profile to high intent searches. Get it wrong and you're going to miss work that you should be winning. Then add secondary categories for your specific services, kitchen remodeler, bathroom remodeler, deck builder, whatever applies to your business. But here's where most contractors make mistakes. They add every possible category thinking more is better. It's not. Irrelevant categories dilute your relevance and can actually drop and hurt your ranking. So the goal is to be specific, be accurate, and do a quick search to see what categories your top competitors are using. It can reveal some gaps that you can move into and take advantage of. Step 3, fill out every single field in your profile. Everyone. There are 3 areas to focus on. First, the essentials, your name, address, phone, and website. These need to be 100% accurate and identical to how you appear on your website. So it needs to be consistent. And that includes all other directory listings. Inconsistency confuses Google's algorithm and it hurts your ranking. Second, the attributes. This is where you add licensed and insured, veteran owned, free estimates available. These details help the right clients filter right to you. And then third, we have your service area and hours. So don't claim the whole state you work within 20 miles. Focus on your most profitable zones and keep your hours current. A potential client calling during business hours and hitting a wall, that's a lost hot lead. And one more thing, your business description gets 750 characters. You need to figure out how to use all of them. Most contractors leave this field half empty or forget about it entirely. That's a huge missed opportunity. Every single day, somebody is trying to find your service that you're offering. Step 4, this is my personal favorite. Put your work front and center. Profiles with high quality photos get 42% more engagement than those without. And that's not a rounding error. That's nearly half, again, of as many leads. Your goal is a portfolio of 30 to 50 images covering the range of your work. Kitchens, bathrooms, decks, additions. Show the variety and show your work off. Before and after shots are your most powerful asset here. They show clients the actual transformation, not just the finished product. They can see what you're capable of turning a space into. And photo quality matters, remember. Dark, blurry, or poorly framed images actively hurt your credibility. So if you can't shoot great photos yourself, hire a photographer for your top 2 or 3 projects. The return on that investment is immediate. All right, step 5 is arguably one of the most influential factors here. It's whether a client hires you or not, your review reputation. 93% of hiring decisions are influenced by online reviews. You can have the best photos, the most complete profile, but without social proof, you'll lose business to somebody who has a lot of it. On the requesting side, timing is everything. Ask for a review immediately after project completion. This is when satisfaction is at its peak. Don't wait a week, you're gonna forget, and the moment passes really quickly. So remove all friction. Send a direct link or QR code straight to your Google review page. If clients have to search for how to leave a review, most of them won't even bother. On the response side, reply to every review, positive and negative, within 24 to 48 hours. When you get a negative review, stay professional. Address concerns that were mentioned in the review. Offer to resolve it offline. Never get defensive. Every response that you have is your marketing, your brand, and trust. So your target is 2 to 4 new reviews per month. The more, the better. Consistent flow beats sporadic bursts every single time. All right, halfway there. Step 6, write a keyword-rich business description. This is your 750 character window to tell both Google and potential clients exactly what you do, where you do it, and why you're the right choice. The first 250 characters are your most important. That's what appears in the summary before someone clicks to expand. Your core service and value proposition here need to be right there at the top. Write for humans first, Google second. Integrate your keywords naturally into real sentences like licensed general contractor serving Austin, Texas, specializing in kitchen remodeling and home additions. That's a sentence with real value, not a list of just keywords crammed together. Google is smarter than all of us. It can tell the difference, and so can your clients. And always name your city, your neighborhoods, your service areas explicitly. Local relevance is a major signal to the algorithm. If you don't tell Google where you work, it won't know where to show you. All right. So step number 7 now. This is super important. Stay active with your posts. Your profile is not a one-time set it and forget it. Google rewards businesses that stay active. Consistent posting keeps your profile fresh and signals that your business is alive and current. So you have 3 post types available. What's new for project spotlights and updates, offers for time-sensitive promotions, and events for open houses or community involvement. The minimum post once a week. Always include a photo or short video. Text-only posts perform significantly worse. And use that built-in call to action button. For example, you have call now or book online. Give viewers a clear next step. That goes for your website too. So if you're already posting on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, repurpose that content there. And remember, keep the text under about 300 words. You're already doing the work. Why not just add one more platform? And I guarantee you're going to see results from it. Step number 8, turn on direct messaging. This is one of the fastest ways to increase your overall lead volume. And most contractors don't even have it turned on. So here's the opportunity. A lot of clients, especially on mobile, prefer to send a quick message over making a phone call. So it feels a lot more lower pressure. They can ask a question without committing to a whole long conversation. When messaging is on, you capture that lead while they're still on your profile before they go to your competitor, right? So now here's the obligation, and this is really important. Google requires you to respond to messages within 24 hours. consistently fail to do that, and they disable the feature on your account. They don't play around. So set up your notifications. Enable a welcome message to greet clients instantly while you have some time to write a personal reply. Leads who hear back within 5 minutes convert at dramatically higher rates than those who have to wait. Speed isn't just good service here. It's a big ranking signal to Google. Step number 9, run seasonal campaigns. As this goes for, especially if your work is mostly seasonal, your marketing needs to reflect that. Most contractors react to demand. The ones who dominate Google get ahead of it. Spring is decks, patios, windows, siding. Summer is kitchens, additions, major renos. Fall is roofing, heating, insulation. Winter is bathrooms, basements, and interior work. The key tactic is what I call the 60-day rule. Start promoting each seasonal service 2 months before the actual season begins. So by the time the season hits, you want to be in front of clients who are planning and budgeting, not the ones who are already desperate and hiring anyone. In slower months, create off-season offers for indoor work. A January discount on bathroom renovations can keep your crew busy when outdoor projects dry up. And update your profile cover photo to match the current season. Clients notice when it's not congruent. Step number 10, track your results and always keep improving. The first 9 steps build that machine. Step 10, make sure it keeps running well. Google gives you real performance data inside your business profile dashboard. 3 metrics matter most here. Discovery searches, how many people found you by searching for a service, not your business name. If that number is growing, your optimization is working. Customer actions, calls, website visits, direction requests. This is your conversion rate from searcher to lead. And then photo views compared to similar businesses in your area. This tells you whether your visual content is compelling enough to get attention. So use these numbers to drive your next decisions. If your discovery is low, check your categories and post more frequently. If the actions are low, focus on reviews and start adding special offers. If your photo views are low, it's time for you to up-level your images. Your profile is a high-performing asset. You need to treat it like one. So it's important to know that everything we talked about can be executed in 30 days. So here's how to sequence it out. Week 1 is foundation. Claim your profile, set your primary category as general contractor, make sure your name, address, and phone are consistent everywhere. And start with that verification postcard. It takes some time. So then week 2 is content. Upload 30 or more project photos, write that character description with keywords, and fill in every field. Week 3 is reputation. Email your last 10 happy clients with the direct review link. Set up a response protocol, enable messaging, and then week 4 is all about growth. Publish your first Google post. Check your analytics to set a baseline and plan your first seasonal campaign. And that's it, 4 weeks. And then set some alerts every single week, 1 or 2 times for you to go ahead and post. Start taking pictures of your projects. You already have that information inside your phone. And that's all it takes to go from invisible to competitive. All right, so before you go do all this, 4 mistakes will undo your results if you let them. 1, inconsistent NAP data. That's your name, address, and phone. If you write ST on your website and street on Google, the algorithm treats them as completely different businesses. Every listing needs to match exactly. Mistake number 2, keyword stuffing in your business name. Don't add best roofer in Austin to your business name field. Google treats this as spam and can actually suspend your entire account. 3, neglecting reviews. If you don't respond, especially to negative ones, it signals poor customer service to every prospect who reads your profile. And 4, duplicate listings. 2 profiles for the same location splits your ranking authority and your review count. Both profiles end up weaker. If you have a duplicate, report it and have it removed. So all you need to do is avoid these 4 mistakes, and your optimization work will produce the result that it's designed to. The difference between contractors who dominate Google and the ones who stay invisible isn't talent, it isn't budget, it's action. So 3 things to do right now, not next week, today. 1, Google your own business name. See exactly what a potential client sees when they search for you. That's a good starting point. 2, go to business.google.com and claim that profile if you haven't already. Request that verification right now. The clock is ticking on this. 3, upload your 10 best project photos. Not tomorrow, today. That's the fastest way to improve your first impression. Every day you wait is another day that your competitors are capturing the leads that really should be yours. And finally, once you start getting all these leads, more and bigger projects, because it's going to happen if you take action, you're going to need an end-to-end project management software to help you run and scale your construction business. And that software is Handoff. Head over to handoff.ai to see what all the fuss is about, or check out the link in the description for your free trial and to learn more. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a general contractor and you want to build a more profitable business in 2026,